Tread CrossFit, Event 3, WOD 1, 18 under, girls.
Can you hear that? Let's do this first. So 6 inches. Okay. And over here.
This is a Rogue Bella Bar, 15 kilograms or 35 pounds, with a 15-pound weight and a 15-pound weight for 65 pounds.
All right. Wait till I say go. You ready, Corey? All right. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3. Go, Brooke. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 11, 12, 20, last one. 21, all right. Make sure you get those elbows through in front of the bar every time. Elbows coming from the bar every time. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Looking good. Good job. 4, 5, good. Good form. 6, 7. Good job. Perfect right now. Good pace. 8, 9, 10, 11. 10 left on this. 3 minutes. Good job. Doing great. Got plenty of time. 12. 13. 14. 15. Good job. 6 left. 4.
Come on, Petey. Let's go, Brooke.
Let's get these 6 right here. Sit back on the bar. 16. 17. 18. Nice. 3 left.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Get back on there.
19. 20. Last one.
One more, girl.
Power. Yeah.
There you go.
Good job. 15 of them. 15. There we go. 1. like that. Just like that. Again, 4. Good job. Good job, bro. 5.
Hop it.
6. Doing great. Doing great. 7. 8. 9. 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Come on now. 10. 5 left. 7. 12. There you go. 12. 13. 7. 14. 30 seconds. Get back on that bar and get as many as you can get. 15. Good job.
Come on, Petey.
25 seconds.
Come on, Brooke. Let's go.
1.
All the way through, 20 seconds.
2.
15.
3.
Keep going.
4.
10.
Good job. 5.
Come on, you got 2 more in ya.
5.
Come on. 6.
One
Big
more,
hips
one
now.
more.
Big hips.
Come on, come on, come on.
7.
Top.
All the way through 21s, 15 burpees, and 7 power cleans.